गीत नया गाता हूँ, गीत नया गाता हूँ। टूटे हुए तारों से फूटे वासंती स्वर, पत्थर की छाती में उगाया नव अंकुर। झरे सब पीले पात, कोयल की कुहुक रात, प्राची में अरुणिमा की रेख देख पाता हूँ। गीत नया गाता हूँ, गीत नया गाता हूँ। इसका अंतिम है, टूटे हुए सपने की सुने कौन सिसकी, टूटे हुए सपने की सुने कौन सिसकी। अंतर को चीर व्यथा पलकों पर ठिठकी, हार नहीं मानूंगा रार नहीं ठानूंगा। काल के कपाल पर लिखता मिटाता हूँ, गीत नया गाता हूँ, गीत नया गाता हूँ।
नमस्ते, I am Karthik S.H. of class 10, Sharada Vidya Mandira. Welcome to Sharada TV. All of you know what is special on 25th December? Oh, you all are thinking it's Christmas? Maybe, it's Christmas and even the birth anniversary of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was born on 25th December 1924. His father was Sri Krishna Bihari Vajpayee and mother Srimati Krishna Devi. Vajpayee was interested in participating in Quit India movement and he joined RSS at the age of 15. One strange incident was happened in Vajpayee's life while they were studying in the school. Vajpayee participated in one speech competition and that was the first time that Vajpayee stood on the stage and he forgot all the speech and he stood silently. All made fun of him and laughed at him. Vajpayee ran from the stage and sat at his place and he again learnt the speech and came to stage to deliver the speech. But second time, Vajpayee didn't forget the whole speech. He left some lines and words, but he completed his speech in the second time. All appreciated him for his courage and at last he completed his speech. On that day, Vajpayee decided that in future, when Vajpayee will speak, he will never memorize the speech. He will talk how much he know, on the spot he will speak. And as Vajpayee moved to the college, there was a competition, speech competition in Allahabad and Vajpayee participated in that. And they reached the competition late and he was not able to participate in the competition. He requested the judges to give an opportunity to participate in that competition. As Vajpayee's request, judges give an opportunity to Vajpayee. Vajpayee at last got an opportunity to participate in the speech. And as Vajpayee started his speech, everyone listened his speech interestedly and there was pin drop silence in the hall. And Vajpayee, as he continued his speech, at the end of this speech, everyone give a big applause and the claps continued for a long time. Vajpayee was given first award for that speech competition and Vajpayee won the first prize. In that judges, one of the most prominent judge was Harivamsa Rai Bachchan, who was the great poet on that day and the father of legendary actor Amitabh Bachchan. He gave Vajpayee the first award and told him that you should spread the culture of Hindi literature and language. And this was the incident held in Vajpayee's life. Thank you.
Lal Bahadur Shastri ji said, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, to respect farmers and soldiers. Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji extended the respect to scientists also. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Vignan.